Today on Goge Africa, we bring you the title-taking heritage of southeastern Nigeria.
Title-taking had been the prerogative of men, especially in Igbo land, but that has since changed. And today, women take titles as well in Igbo land.
So today we bring you snippets of an induction ceremony into the EYOM group of women. The concepts of gender and women are generally misunderstood. The values of the African woman is viewed from several aspects. It is eminent to mention that the beauty of every community is reflected in every woman in the community. As such, credence should be given to every woman. Today we bring you the induction ceremony of Chief Dr. Mrs. Sandra EKWUNIFE of ENUGWU UKWU into the prestigious EYOM Society. The event held at ENUGWU UKWU in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State was a mishmash of culture interlaced with elegance. EYOM title, called Otuodo in some parts of Igbo land, is the true definition of womanhood in all ramification. It is the highest title to be attained by an Igbo woman in Igbo land.
For you to receive this title, you must have come a long way. You must be a good family woman, married woman, taking care of your family without blemish. You must have gotten to a certain level in the society that you can afford to belong to the society. And before you can belong, you must have lived an exceptional life.
You know, EYOM title is a title given to women of integrity. Women who are qualified as a wife, a good wife that has supported the husband, a good mother, and a philanthropist.
The head of the EYOM group talked about the qualities of anyone who will be joined in the group. The person it's not about money, it's not about wealth, it's not about beauty, it's about character.
Chief Dr. Mrs. SANDRA
Identified by her resplendent white cotton and expensive elephant tusk on her wrists and shin, admission of a woman into this hallowed societal pedestal as an EYOM requires a tripartite acquiescence from her husband, members of the EYOM club, and kinsmen, validating her worthiness for the honor and responsibility. Restating this, Chief Uche Nwora, a cabinet member of the community, opines.
You know, there are categories of titles, both for the men and for the women in ENUGWU UKWU. But EYOM apparently is the highest, you know, and that's what most women, you know, that believe in culture, believe in tradition, believe in omenane, will aspire to. And for you to become an IYOM, you go through some, would I say, purification or investigation to see that you are a woman of virtue, you're a woman of good character, and also you're a woman of means, because the ceremony itself is not cheap, you know. So, and the husband as well is a man that is known in this community. I'm talking about Chief UMUNRI EKWUNIFE. He's the culture minister of ENUGWU UKWU. So for his wife to be taking the title of EYOM today means that it's something that is not to be taken lightly.
Yeah, the husband of the lady that's being inducted into the EYOM society is the one who stands as a guarantor, as a traditional shorty, giving an undertaking that the wife will be of excellent conduct, of good conduct while in the EYOM society. He is also the one that is testifying to the good qualities of the lady also. Okay? He knows the wife more than every other person. Right. So the only and the best reference point, the best testifier of the goodness and the sterling qualities of that woman is the husband.
EYOM title is what defines who the woman is in ENUGWU UKWU and in Igbo land generally. When a man has come of age, when a man has established himself, he has to be initiated into the Nze and the Ozo title group. And when a woman has come to stay as a woman, what defines you as a woman is that you are a member of the EYOM community. EYOM is not actually a group. It is a community of well-to-do women. Women who are influencing the coming generation positively.
Irrespective of the display of affluence and sumptuous feasting associated with induction into this elite women class, the membership of the prestigious EYOM society is not dependent on the amount of wealth or the beauty of a woman. Rather, it's defined by the right virtue of womanhood, enviable character shown by being a dedicated mother, wife to the entire family, and also contributing immensely to the success of her community.
Mrs. EKWUNIFE, I call her my mirror. She's a very beautiful, very intelligent woman. And for her to be bestowed the honor of EYOM today has shown the level she has climbed in terms of impacting positively on the lives of the people. EYOM seems to be the highest title for an Igbo woman, and it's a title that is bestowed on the women achievers. And I believe she has achieved, she merited this honor.
She's a philanthropist. She just gives, and she never expects anything in return. So I feel like this is our chance to actually give back to her.
I wish her good luck, long life and prosperity. I wish her long life, I wish her happiness, I wish her all the wealth in the world.
I am now officially an ambassador of Igbo culture generally. Being a mother, the responsibility alone is enormous. Now I'm not just a mother to my children or to my family, but to the community.
IYOM UKWU erike. Iya onye zuwe yo me.